everyone, you are welcome. Today I'm back with another healthy and low budget recipe that you always want to enjoy. And add some palm oil. Palm oil is from palm kernel, and I will go ahead and add some onions, and I will allow it to fry for like 1 to 2 minutes, to just soften the onions. And I will go ahead to add some garlic. I love garlic in my recipes, especially when I'm having veggies. I enjoy adding garlic, and it's very healthy. So if you've not been adding garlic to your meal, I'll encourage you to start doing so. And let me know if whether you use garlic. All right, yeah. And I'll go ahead to add some pepper. This is optional. If you don't like having pepper, if you don't like spicy food, you can omit this, okay? But I love spicy food. And I will go ahead to add some bell pepper, the yellow, the green red bell pepper, and I will allow it to steam for a few minutes. Okay, don't remember this is healthy meal, low budget meal that everybody can have within your budget, okay? And do not overcook your veggies. And I will go ahead to add some salt to taste, stock powder, and I will mix and allow it to fry for like 1 minute more. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, if this video is helpful, and share with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more healthy recipes. And I went ahead to add my spinach. This spinach is the frozen spinach, and I brought it out last night to defroze and get to the room temperature. And I went ahead to add it and mix well for the veggies and the spinach to mingle well. And let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this recipe, or if you have tried this type of recipe before. This is so healthy and is low budget, and this recipe you can use it to take anything like rice, your beans, your yam, your sweet potatoes, and you can just enjoy it like this with some bread. Or you can take this recipe just anyhow and anytime you want it. And I went ahead to cover it just to steam, okay? Because the spinach, I don't want to overcook it. I don't want to overcook my vegetables. Just to steam for like 1 minute or less, and the food is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, or let me know what you would love to take this recipe with, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, share our videos, and follow us on our all social media handles, okay? And leave this video a comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and show us some love. Thank you so much as you do so. Look at that. So healthy. You can see it's so colorful, and all the veggies are well mingled. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is blood tonic, guys. And I went ahead to serve mine with rice. Okay, I'm going to use rice. Let me know what you will take yours with, and with some turkey meat. And here we go. At the moment of truth, because I'm going to taste this food to tell you guys what it tastes like. And definitely it is so delicious. I'm telling you guys, try this recipe and come back and tell me in the comment section what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. God bless you.